Breaking news, a shocking incident that has been reported. 3 people have been arrested in connection with the gang rape of a law college student in Kolkata's Kasba area. The incident reportedly took place on the 25th of June. The arrests were made on Thursday night. Now, out of the 3 accused, 2 are students of the college, while the third is an alumnus. The 2 girls were picked up from the Talbagan area on Thursday evening after a complaint was launched. The main accused was also arrested after questioning the other 2. Now remember, the 3 accused in this case, in the Kolkata Law College alleged gang rape case, have been remanded to 4 days of judicial custody. That's the latest that we are getting at the moment. My colleague Pooja is joining us with more on this. Pooja, what are the details of this horrific case now coming to the fore from West Bengal? And as far as the investigation is concerned, what are you picking up?
Well, absolutely a major shocker from Kolkata. Remember, we've seen the Archikar rape and murder case of the on-duty doctor last year. And now yet another shocker from Kolkata when a law college student has been allegedly gang raped by 3 persons, 2 of them current students and 1 of them ex-student of the same university, same college. But here the who is said to have links with the Trinamool Congress. This accused person has been identified as Manojit Mishra. He used to be the TMCP unit president in this particular college. His pictures with several Trinamool Congress leaders have now surfaced. Now BJP is asking how this particular person, Manojit Mishra, who's said to be a Trinamool Congress worker and also used to be the president of the TMCP unit of the college, is involved in this particular gang rape case. What we're given to understand is that the Kolkata police has now in fact arrested 3 persons in connection with this case. They were produced before the court, and the Alipur court in Kolkata has allowed them 4 days of police custody. Now over the 4 days, police will now cross-examine them. They will be interrogated and a reconstruction of the spot will take place. Very, very important, the recreation of the scene, because this particular crime took place on campus, on this particular law college where the alleged gang rape took place. So police is going to take all 3 accused persons to the place of occurrence and will recreate the entire scene, and the reconstruction of the crime will also take place.
Right, Pooja, I'll come back to you for the latest.